Hello, everyone, and thank you for being here. There are moments in life that quietly change everything, not because they're loud or dramatic, but because they carry the weight of hope, commitment, and love. Today, I want to share one of those moments with you. My family is coming to your home for wedding shopping, and to many people it may seem like a simple tradition. But to me, it means that two families are taking a step toward one future, one promise, and one beautiful journey. Every mile they travel carries my respect, every conversation holds my dreams, and every smile brings us closer to the life we've been waiting for. This isn't just about shopping, it's about choosing a future together, one filled with trust, love, and the quiet certainty that some hearts are simply meant to find each other. When I heard that my family was coming to your home for shopping, I didn't think about clothes, jewelry, gifts, or traditions. My mind went somewhere much deeper. I thought about the years that brought us to this moment. I thought about every conversation we shared, every silence we understood, every hope we protected when no one else could see it. Life has a strange way of preparing us for moments that seem ordinary from the outside, but feel unforgettable on the inside. This is one of those moments. People often see shopping as a simple part of preparing for a wedding. They see people choosing colors, comparing designs, smiling at different options, and discussing little details. But I see something different. I see two families beginning to write the same story. I see people who once lived separate lives, now walking toward the same future. I see love becoming more than just words, spoken between two hearts. It becomes something everyone can witness, something everyone can support, something everyone can celebrate. The thought of my family walking into your home fills my heart with emotions that are difficult to describe. They are not just visiting your house. They are carrying my respect, my dreams, and every silent prayer I have made for our future. Every greeting they exchange represents the kindness I want to give you for the rest of my life. Every smile they share carries the happiness I have imagined since the day I realized how important you had become to me. There is something beautiful about families meeting, because love is never built by two people alone. It grows stronger when the people who raised us, guided us, and believed in us begin to believe in each other too. That is why this moment means so much to me. It tells me that our journey is no longer just ours. It has become a journey shared by the people who matter most in our lives. I imagine the conversations that will happen. Some will be about wedding preparations. Some will be about traditions. Some will be filled with laughter over small things that nobody will remember years from now. But I know one thing. Every moment will quietly build memories that we will carry for the rest of our lives. One day we may look back and realize that our future truly began not with a grand celebration, but with a simple day when our families sat together, talked together, and prepared together. I want you to know that every decision made that day has meaning to me. It isn't about finding the most expensive things or the most perfect decorations. It's about knowing that every choice is another step toward standing beside you, another step toward creating a home where love is not measured by what we own, but by how we care for each other every single day. I dream of a home where peace is more valuable than pride, where kindness is stronger than anger, and where every ordinary day feels extraordinary simply because we face it together. Sometimes people ask what makes love real. I don't think it's the big promises spoken in front of a crowd. I think love becomes real in moments like these, when families make time for each other, when respect is shown without expecting anything in return, and when everyone quietly works to make two hearts feel supported. Those moments may never appear in photographs the way grand celebrations do, but they remain alive in our memories long after the music has faded. As I think about my family coming to your home, I don't see strangers meeting for the first time. I see future memories being created. I see birthdays that haven't happened yet, celebrations that haven't arrived yet, and quiet evenings where everyone sits together, smiling because they remember how this beautiful journey first began. There is something deeply comforting about knowing that the people who have stood beside us all our lives are now taking steps toward one another. Long before we ever imagined this day, our families had their own stories, their own traditions, their own struggles, and their own dreams. They laughed in different homes, celebrated different occasions, and carried different memories. Yet somehow, life found a way to bring those separate paths together through us. That thought alone reminds me that some journeys are larger than anything we can plan. I imagine my family preparing before they leave for your home. Some may be excited, some may be quietly emotional, and some may simply be smiling without saying much. They know this isn't just another visit. They understand that every knock on your door carries respect, Every greeting carries sincerity, and every conversation has the power to bring two families closer together. Their footsteps are not only their own, they carry my hopes, my gratitude, and every dream I have kept safe inside my heart. I also think about you. I wonder what is going through your mind while you wait. Maybe you're excited. Maybe you're nervous. Maybe you're trying to stay calm while your heart is racing just a little faster than usual. If that's true, then know that you're not alone. My heart is doing exactly the same. Because even though I may not be standing beside you in that exact moment, every part of me is present. Every smile shared between our families feels like a smile I am giving you. Every kind word spoken feels like something I wish I could say myself. Some people believe love is proven through extraordinary gestures. I have learned something different. Love reveals itself through ordinary moments, filled with genuine intention. It is found in respectful conversations, patient listening, thoughtful decisions, and the willingness to value another family as much as your own. Those are the moments that quietly build a lifetime together. They may never become headlines, but they become the strongest foundation a relationship can have. I don't want this day to be remembered because of what was purchased. I want it to be remembered because of how everyone felt. I hope people leave your home carrying warmth in their hearts. I hope they remember laughter more than prices, conversations more than gifts, and the feeling of becoming one family more than anything else. Years from now, the things we buy may fade, wear out, or be replaced, but the emotions created on this day will remain untouched by time. Every family has its own way of expressing love. Sometimes it is through words, sometimes it is through quiet sacrifices that nobody notices. Parents spend years making difficult choices so their children can smile. Brothers and sisters become silent supporters. Elders offer wisdom gathered through experience. When families come together for a moment like this, all those invisible acts of love meet in one place. That is what makes today feel so meaningful to me. I often wonder how many small moments had to happen before we reached this one. Every decision we made, every challenge we overcame, every lesson we learned, every disappointment that made us stronger. It all led here. None of it feels wasted now. Every difficult chapter seems to have prepared us to appreciate this beautiful beginning with greater gratitude and deeper understanding. As my family sits with yours, I hope they don't simply see another household. I hope they see the people who raised the person I love. I hope they recognize the kindness, values, patience, and strength that shaped your heart. And I hope your family sees that mine comes not only with traditions, but with genuine respect, sincere intentions, and the desire to welcome you with open hearts for the rest of our lives. The future isn't built in a single day. It grows through countless moments like this. Moments where people choose understanding over misunderstanding, kindness over pride, and unity over distance. Every conversation shared today becomes another brick in the home we are slowly building together, not just with walls and rooms, but with trust, compassion, loyalty, and the quiet promise that no matter what life brings, we will continue choosing each other again and again. Every step my family takes toward your home feels like a promise walking closer to our future. They may simply be traveling from one place to another, but in my heart, every mile carries a dream that has lived inside me for a long time. They are not just bringing themselves. They are bringing my respect, my gratitude, my hopes, and every silent prayer I have ever made for the life I want to build with you. If I could place my heart into their hands, I would, because every beat of it belongs to the journey that is leading us toward one another. There is something extraordinary about ordinary footsteps. Most people hear the sound of a car arriving, a door opening, or voices greeting each other, and they think nothing more of it. But when love is involved, those simple sounds become unforgettable. They become the soundtrack of a new beginning. Long after the celebrations are over and the decorations have been packed away, I believe those moments will still echo in our memories, reminding us that forever didn't begin on our wedding day. It began when two families decided to walk toward each other with open hearts. As they move closer to your home, I imagine every passing moment carrying another layer of meaning. Every road they travel reminds me that love has always been a journey rather than a destination. It asks us to keep moving, to keep believing, and to keep choosing one another even when the path is uncertain. Nothing truly valuable comes without patience, and perhaps that is why this day feels so meaningful. We have waited, hoped, dreamed, and trusted that one day life would bring us here. I hope your family sees more than guests arriving at the door. I hope they see people who already consider them worthy of kindness and respect. Relationships between families are not created through grand speeches. They grow through simple gestures, sincere smiles, thoughtful conversations, and the willingness to listen. Those quiet moments often become the strongest memories because they are real, unforced, and filled with genuine care. When I think about our future, I don't picture only the happiest days. I also think about the difficult ones. I think about the moments when life tests us, when plans change, and when challenges appear without warning. Those are the days when the foundation built by our families will matter the most. Because when two people know they are surrounded by love, respect, and understanding, even the hardest seasons become easier to face together. Every gift chosen today is more than an object. It represents thoughtfulness. Every conversation reflects trust. Every decision carries hope. None of these things can truly be measured by money, because their real value lies in the intentions behind them. Love has never been about the price of what we give. It has always been about the sincerity with which we give it. Sometimes I pause and ask myself how many invisible moments brought us here, how many prayers were whispered by our parents without us knowing, how many sacrifices were made so that one day we could stand confidently before the people we love. Those unseen acts of kindness deserve just as much celebration as the visible moments, because they quietly shape the future we are now beginning to live. As my family walks into your home, I hope they leave behind more than footprints. I hope they leave behind comfort, trust, warmth, and the feeling that from this day forward, we are no longer two separate stories. We are becoming one family, one journey, one future, slowly written through patience, respect, and love that continues to grow stronger with every step taken toward each other. The more I think about this day, the more I realize that every journey begins long before anyone takes the first visible step. It begins with hope. It begins with quiet conversations held late at night, with dreams that are shared only between two hearts, and with faith that the future will eventually reward patience. By the time my family reaches your home, countless invisible journeys will already have been completed inside our hearts. Those journeys are filled with moments when we chose to believe in each other, even when circumstances asked us to wait a little longer. I often imagine what the atmosphere will feel like inside your home. There will be familiar faces, welcoming smiles, warm greetings, and conversations flowing naturally from one topic to another. Some people will talk about colors, fabrics, traditions, and celebrations. Others will remember stories from the past or laugh about little moments that make everyone feel comfortable. Yet beneath every conversation, there will be something much deeper, a shared understanding that this gathering is about building a future where two families become connected through trust and affection. I want every person present to feel respected. Respect is one of the greatest gifts we can offer another family. It says, "We value who you are, where you come from, and everything that has shaped your life." Love without respect is incomplete, but when respect becomes the foundation, love finds the strength to grow through every season of life. That is the kind of future I dream of, a future where kindness is never forgotten, gratitude is expressed freely, and understanding is always stronger than pride. As I picture my family speaking with yours, I think about how every smile has its own language. A sincere smile can remove uncertainty, create comfort, and remind everyone that they are among people who genuinely care. Sometimes we search for perfect words, yet the heart understands simple gestures better than long speeches. A welcoming expression, a thoughtful question, or a moment of shared laughter can build bridges that last for generations. The beauty of this day is not that everything will be perfect. Perfection has never been the goal. The beauty lies in sincerity. Families coming together do not need flawless conversations or carefully rehearsed moments. They simply need honest hearts that are willing to understand one another. That honesty creates an atmosphere where everyone feels valued, where differences become opportunities to learn, and where relationships grow naturally instead of being forced. I think about the future we are preparing for, and I realize that every meaningful relationship is built one day at a time. There will be mornings when we celebrate victories and evenings when we comfort each other after disappointments. There will be ordinary days that seem unremarkable while we are living them, yet years later we will remember them as the moments that truly defined our happiness. This gathering is one of those ordinary-looking days that quietly changes everything. My greatest wish is that our families never feel like guests in each other's lives. I hope they feel at home whenever they meet. I hope they celebrate